In today's video, we are going to show you how to reduce the price on Vinted to attract more buyers and sell your items faster. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your profile, which can be found on the top right corner. Click the profile. This may take some time depending on your internet connection, and once you're here, I want you to click the select my items to see all your listings. Now, I have a specific listing that I wanted to reduce the price because no one is checking on it. I wanted to gain more traction and of course get more offers. From here, all I have to do is super simple. Now, I'm going to choose this specific item. I'm gonna click on it. And of course, just scroll down until you find the option that says edit listing. This will give you the hour to reduce the pricing. For example, currently the item is priced at $69. Okay, so I wanted to change it to like maybe 6.9 to gain more traction and visibility because again, no one is interested in very expensive item. Once you've done that, okay, change your price, check some information, and once you're happy, click the save button. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to reduce the price on Vinted to attract more buyers and sell your items faster. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.